Come on. Ready? Ooh. Can you blow it? Blow it? No, with your mouth, silly. What is that?
Yeah.
It's a dandelion. Can you blow it? Good job. Is that how you blow a dandelion?
Mom.
Is there another one?
Yeah.
Here, come over here and pick one. Over here. Here. There's some right there.
Taco.
Motorcycle. Are you gonna pick a dandelion?
Yeah.
Alright, pick one. Yeah. Well, that one doesn't have any on it yet. No, here, how about this one? There's one. Can you blow that one out? Uh-oh. What are you doing?
Mom.
Don't rub it on your face, you goofball. Alright, you ready to go park?
Yeah.
Okay. Watch where you're going.